guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to You Rock, We Drone. My name is Dan and today I'll be taking you through a quick Mavic Air 2 Quickshots tutorial. We're gonna go through how to access them and how to find them. We're gonna take a look at each individual one of them, and then we're gonna play them back to back so you can decide for yourself which ones you like the best. Okay, before we get started here, I'd like you to consider subscribing to the channel. There's gonna be awesome new drone related stuff on the channel every single week. So if that's the kind of stuff that you're into, click the little red button down below and also click the little bell icon right next to it so that you don't miss the next video. Okay, so the first thing you kind of obviously want to do is get the drone up in the air because it simply won't work. I mean, the drone's got to fly, but the point is you can't access the menu item without the drone being in the air and at least 6 feet above the ground. So let's do that first. So you want to have the drone up in the air and you want to have it slightly away from you, but not too far, because if you're too far away, it won't pick up on you. So all you want to do is press the shooting modes button up here, and then you can already see the third one from the top is quick shot mode, and there are all your different options. It's as simple as that. So you close that little dialog and then you can access all your different quick shot options. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with Dronie. One way to do it is to just click the plus button on myself, and it's really easy for the drone to detect myself because I'm flying pretty close to myself, and also I'm wearing a red shirt on a green background, and since the system is contrast based, this is really easy. So you just click the plus icon, it's detected me, and then all you got to do is press start. So once it finishes with the shot, the drone flies back to you and you can just go ahead and do the next one. The next one is really cool. It's rocket, and once again you can click the plus icon, or you can also draw a little rectangle around your subject, and then you press start. And what rocket does, it basically just goes straight up and points the gimbal down on you, so you kind of get like a rocket effect kind of thing. So you know, it just goes all the way up, it goes straight above me, and it points the gimbal down. And this is like a really cool way. I mean, this actually looks quite pretty because I'm standing here in the reeds, so you can kind of see the surrounding areas of where your subject is standing. And then once again it finishes and it flies back to the point where it started. One thing to notice maybe is that it doesn't record on the way back, so it only records on the way up or it only records on the way out if you want, but it doesn't record on the way back. So for a circle you have only two options, clockwise and counterclockwise. So you just press the little arrows down below and then you hit start, and then it's just gonna do a circle around you. You wanna make sure that there's no obstacles in the way. I've actually lost one of my drones already in one of these reeds, so I have to be a little bit careful here because I am not flying very high. I mean, it does have obstacle detection, but you want to be careful. Oh boy. Okay. All right. And then one thing to notice is if you want to cancel anything because you realize you are coming too close to whatever you're standing nearby, you just have to hit any of the sticks and it will stop right there and then. And the cool thing about that is you'll still get the recording. So if I stop it halfway through the circle because I'm risking to fly into the reeds, I can just press one of the buttons. It will cancel the quick shot mode, but you'll still get half of the recording, or you will still get whatever it's recorded so far. So the next one is Helix, and that's probably the coolest one. Once again, you can go left or right, so clockwise or counterclockwise. You just hit the start button, and what Helix does is it flies around you. But as it flies around you, it increases the radius of the circle and it also gains altitude. So in that way, it really gives you a cool reveal of the area that you're standing in. And like with each turn, you see more and more and more, and it gives it like a really cool cinematic way of revealing the area that you're standing in. Next one up is Boomerang, and once again, clockwise, counterclockwise. So Boomerang you can think of like an oval. Right? It kind of flies like far away from you, and then it kind of zips back close to you. I haven't used this mode myself a lot, but then again, These are all things to just practice with and play with and see what you like. And I mean, just flying a motion like that by yourself is really hard. The last one here is Asteroid, which a lot of people refer to as Tiny Planet. So once again, you click the plus button and you hit start. And what it does, it's kind of similar to the rocket mode, where it basically, to the Dronie mode, I'm sorry, where it keeps your subject in the center and then flies all the way out. Once it gets to a certain height, it will start taking some photos and create this cool looking tiny planet view. So you can see like the first 40% is the video part, and now that it's up there, it's gonna go and shoot like all these different photos, and then you already get a pre-baked video. So you don't get the individual photos on your computer, so you just get a video. And also important to note that this is only in 1080p. So all the other quickshot modes that we went through here today, you can go to the 3 dots at the top and then turn on your 4K and your H.265 codec. The Asteroid, however, is only available in 1080p. You get this pre-baked video, and you can even see here on my little screen share that the colors are already quite different, so you also can't choose your Cine-like D profile. So it's a cool gimmick for your travel videos and whatnot. Of course, that's awesome. If you wanted to do something a little bit more professional, you're probably gonna struggle a little bit grading this footage to your other flat color profile shots. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned where to access the Quickshots modes and what they're all about. I'm gonna put a little video together just playing them all back to back, so you can decide for yourself which ones you like the best. Again, if you found this useful, please hit the thumbs up button. It really makes a difference. And also consider subscribing to the channel if you're into drone related stuff like this, because, well, I think it's gonna make your life better, and there's gonna be a lot more stuff coming onto the channel every single week. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.